everybody, what's up? So today I'm going to be telling you how you can make a paper bookmark. So let's get started. So what you will need is a glue stick, scissors, and some paper. Over here I've cut out 19 centimeter long paper strips and you'll need 4 of them. I choose green and white. You can choose whatever color you want. I also made this pink one. We are going to be making the one like that, and yeah. So first of all, what you need to do is just take your paper strips and put them like this, and you need to glue them like this. So I'm going to take my glue and now I'm going to glue the strips. Just like that. Okay. So now I have glued my first 2 strips. Now I'm going to glue the white one, same like that. Okay, so I'm going to glue the strips just like that. Okay. You can see you should get this kind of cross on the strips line. And now I'm going to twist the strips just like that. So everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, just like that, and I'm going to do the same thing with the white strips. Just like that. So you need to do this until you get to the end of the strips. Just like that. You can see right there you have to get this kind of shape. So I've done it to the end. Now over here at the end you should get this kind of shape, and what you're going to do is just glue it at the end. You don't need to add a lot of glue. Yeah, so you need to just glue it just like that. You need to glue it. Okay, so far I have glued these. You can glue the green ones also like this, but it don't look that much neat. So I'm going to just cut these out. So you need to just cut these out. Now I'm going to cut the extra ends of the strips out like that. Okay, just like that. Okay, so now it's all ready. So it looks pretty nice. It looks all ready. And yeah. So this is a totally optional part. So I'm going to just glue the strips, but what you need to do is just add a lot of glue on a piece of paper, and you need to just add the glue like that inside. So you don't need to add liquid glue because it makes the paper wet and it then tears apart. So this is total optional part. You can just skip it. Like, you need to just glue it like that, but it's totally optional. I'm doing it to secure the bookmark so it doesn't fall apart. So this is totally optional. If you don't want to do it, you can just skip it. So I'm just doing it, and so our bookmark is ready. It looks pretty nice, and yeah. So here's the bookmark. It looks pretty nice. They both look pretty nice, and they're very easy to make, and they don't take too much time to make. They just made like 5 or 6 minutes, and they're really cool. So now I'm going to tell you how you can use these. You can just take any book you have, and you can just use them as bookmarks. They look pretty cute and nice, and they look pretty unique. You can give these to your friends and they will be very happy, and these are very cute. So yeah. So everybody, that's it for the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So bye.